Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on resolving battery issues for your Dell Inspiron laptop. Today, we'll address common problems such as a battery that won't charge or a pending battery status. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the following tools ready: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a can of compressed air. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and clean its internals. Begin by turning off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Next, locate the battery release latch on the bottom of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the battery. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly later. Once the screws are removed, gently slide the battery out of its compartment. If your laptop has a removable battery, this will be straightforward. If not, you may need to use the pry tool to carefully open the back panel to access the internal battery connection. Inspect the battery for any visible damage or swelling. If you notice any irregularities, it might be time to replace the battery. If everything looks good, let's proceed to clean the internal components. Use the compressed air to blow out any dust or debris from the battery compartment and surrounding areas. This can often help improve battery performance by ensuring proper airflow. Remember, keeping your laptop clean is essential for its longevity. Now, before reassembling, let's address the battery connection. Clean the contacts on both the battery and the motherboard using a soft, lint-free cloth. This ensures a good connection when you reinsert the battery. If you're not comfortable performing these steps yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians are experienced and can help you troubleshoot the issue effectively. If you don't have the tools, we also provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free. Once you've cleaned and inspected everything, carefully slide the battery back into its compartment and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure the latch clicks back into place. Now, power up your laptop by plugging it back in and turning it on. Check the battery status in the settings. If the issue persists, it could indicate a deeper problem with the charging circuit or the battery itself. In that case, we suggest getting a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. Our service ensures no calls or travel required, just a simple, effective solution to your laptop's battery problems. To summarize, we covered the tools needed, how to remove and inspect your battery, the cleaning process, and options for professional help if needed. Regular maintenance and prompt attention to battery issues can greatly enhance the performance and lifespan of your Dell Inspiron. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.